Evacuation warnings are in effect after a wildfire in San Bernardino County has grown to more than 500 acres.
KTLA 5's Chip Yost live in Highland with the very latest on that. Chip.
Yeah, hey there, Rick and Cher. We have been witnessing a real battle here on this hillside just above this neighborhood. The road we're on is Central Vista here in Highland, and you see on the hillside there, that's the San Bernardino National Forest where this fire is burning close to this neighborhood, and we have been seeing some flare-ups all throughout the afternoon, and when the fire flares up, we have been seeing a lot of aerial resources come by, helicopters and planes making drops, trying to put those flare-ups out, and so far, thankfully, the firefighters have been holding their own with some of these flare-ups on the hillside. We actually see a helicopter coming right now. If you can see it over here to your left, that is actually probably coming from another hotspot area. There's a few different areas with hotspots. We've been seeing them come by all afternoon long. Right now, let's take a look at some video from a little earlier near Green Spot Road. Green Spot Road is where the command post is. It's at a park off of Green Spot Road. We were taking some video from down there where you could also see a lot of flare-ups. This fire, the line fire, started yesterday around 6 p.m. in the San Bernardino National Forest. It is now at close to 1,200 acres. About 1,180 acres is the latest number we got. It is at 0% containment, and while the heat has been a problem, it was around 112 degrees today. The one thing that has been good so far is the winds. The winds have not been that strong today, so the firefighters have been able to fight it and put them out without worrying about high winds spreading it. However, as firefighters have said, those winds can change quickly, as they did last night when the winds changed and started moving the fire toward this neighborhood.
Just kept on moving and kept on moving and kept on moving. I was up at 1 or 2 o'clock this morning looking out my bedroom window, and it was like, oh boy, this is really bad. But we had all of our stuff packed up, ready by the front door in case we had to get out of there.
It was just going all night last night, so like I said, it was like quite a show. It's kind of scary.
And right now we're talking about how the flare-ups have been popping up. Well, just while we were live, you see here on the hillside, there is another flare-up, and we see another helicopter. I don't know, that looks like that one might be coming in to try to put a drop on that flare-up. We'll see in a moment, but if it's not that helicopter, there'll probably be another aerial resource coming by here any moment. We are told by firefighters they're going to have these aerial resources out here throughout the night. They have some helicopters on hand that can fly at night, and they're going to keep them going 24 hours to try to get this fire out. For now, we're live here in Highland. I'm Chip Yost, KTLA 5 News.
All right.